Okay, this is a third video for the same test route. Now, what we do, examiner will stop your car in here and he will say we follow the signs for the independent driving. Maybe he will put the sat nav, and sometimes he don't use the sat nav, just giving you signboards. So what he will say, end of the road we turn left and then follow the sign Altrincham and then Manchester city centre. So there is a 3 roundabout coming. You need to remember that. I will show you the signboards as well, but you have to be already in your mind where I'm going. I will say I was making very simple. 3 roundabout. First roundabout, first exit left.
Okay.
Second roundabout, second exit straight.
Okay.
Third roundabout, third exit right. First 2 roundabout we follow the sign Altrincham.
Okay.
When you're leaving the second roundabout, then we follow the sign Manchester city centre.
Okay.
There will be third exit right. I will show the signboard. First roundabout, when you go there is a traffic light controlling.
Okay.
If it's a traffic light control roundabout, then some rules of roundabout we skip that. For example, when you're going in a roundabout, we always give the priority to the right side people.
Okay.
But it's a traffic light, we don't bother too much right side because their people stop in a red light. Once your light is green and the other people is red, so we're not that much worry about that.
Okay.
So we go there and we don't want to stop on a roundabout. If light is green, just turn left.
Okay.
The second roundabout comes. Second roundabout comes round about 45 angle, slightly on the right, not exactly straight. But in this roundabout, it's better to make straight for that. So it means second exit straight, we're keeping left lane, center left mirror, left lane, no signal. Once you're passing that first exit, a little bit slight bend there, we check center left mirror, left signal, and then we leave the exit. So always when you're going straight or left on a roundabout, keeping maximum close to the curb. We don't want to swing the car right side, making danger to other people. Then we're leaving the second exit, then make car straight. I will show the signboard as well. As soon as you see the signboard, we want to change the lane. So then center right mirror, right signal, when is a safe, move to the right lane, and then approaching roundabout. Again, that is the first roundabout which we did before today.
Okay.
So keep right lane, first exit going to the airport,
Okay.
and then after the bridge, still one exit going, after the bridge, one exit coming. The both is counting 1. Then straight is the second exit, Altrincham. We're not going Altrincham anymore there. And then you have to move car right side. As soon as you're turning right on the second exit, center left mirror, left signal, come back left lane. And I will show you the sign 50 mile speed there and the city center as well. Just leave that and then bit hill over there. Go over there, don't change the gate there when is the car going up the hill. And then we joining again dual carriageway, which we did before. So we check center right mirror, right signal, build up the speed. There is a quite big slipway, so make third gear, fourth gear, and keep looking right side. As soon as you see the gap, safe, move to the right lane, cancel the signal, and going straight, and then lane straight, take you to the test center.
Okay.
Yes. So keep in remember what I said. I will remind you again when you're going there.
Okay.
Hopefully you will understand. Right, move off when you're ready here. This moving off observation, we should move a bit more. You check the shoulder, blind spot, but then you putting in a gear. So what you need to do, prepare yourself. Just last second when you're moving off, have to proper look right shoulder before you're moving out. Okay? End of the road, we turn left. Keep going straight. There's a 2 traffic light, we're crossing that. Position always left side, you know that, I don't need to tell you. So then see the signboard there, that is the roundabout signboard. You can go, there's plenty of space there after the yellow box. Yeah. So the roundabout coming there, I will show you the signboard, and the last on the bottom we see the Altrincham, that is the first exit left. So make sure your roundabout coming, always exit coming after the signboard. We don't want to turn in here, yeah? So this is not you're turning after the traffic signboard. So can you see the Altrincham? On the A560, last one, yeah?
Yeah.
Left hand side. Yeah. So that's the first exit left. Pick up speed. And the roundabout controlling by traffic light. Light is green, you can go. If it's red, we will stop. Yeah, we can go now. So keeping left. That's very good. That is your first exit left. So now keeping left lane in here, we see the second roundabout. First exit going Bench Hill, and second exit right, going toward altering slightly right side, but we will make him straight. Yeah, keeping in this lane, no signal. After first exit, center left mirror, left signal, then we go out. Check mirror here, center left mirror. Yeah. So this bit down the hill is slightly dangerous, so I have to be very careful when approaching the junction. No signal yet. We got a bit close junction, right hand side. Make sure very clearly you're looking right side. Look right first. Yeah. Keeping left. Pick up speed. Pick up speed. Yeah. Yeah. Now you give left signal mirror. First signal. As I told you, second exit straight. Right. So this is our Tringham exit, second exit. So we've done that. Now we're going to the third exit roundabout, and that is the city center. And there will be third exit right. Okay. Now we change the lane when it's safe. Mirror signal, change it. Yeah. Okay. See the signboard in here. So bottom right hand side, Manchester city center.
Yeah.
That is the third exit right. A5103. So we're taking third exit right here. Yeah, keep the signal right. This is the first exit. Build up speed, keep right lane. So this is the first exit. After the bridge, again exit coming. That's both is of one exit. Yeah, this are going out and this coming in. So this is the second exit you are doing. After that, not yet. After you keep going. Check left mirror. Give left signal. Come back left lane. That's we do that, and that's a 50-mile speed. Yeah. So that's the city center sign as well. Speed from here, you're starting 50 now. Yeah, next gear. Okay, now soon we're going to join the dual carriageway. Yeah, put fourth gear. Check right mirror, give right signal, but don't go yet. Signal right. Yeah, if you're safe, then you can. Yeah, that's fine. Good. That's why we do that. Cancel straightway signal. Yeah, that's fine. Keep it nice and gentle here. No need to rush. Watching this. When this light comes, it means he is braking. You need to slow the car as well. So we don't change any lane now. This lane straight will take you to the center. Stopping distance, you know the car is a bit fast, say 50-mile speed. You have to give the more distance, keeping the distance between the front car. No, I said no changing the lane. Why are you changing the lane? Look at the signboard. Left is a motorway going blue signs. Straight is going on a city center. I told you once we change the lane dual carriageway, we don't change any lane, just keeping in this lane. 40 mile here, missing the speed as well. It's very important. turn left, and then that's end of your test. Yeah, so this test route is completed in here, so turning left, and that's your test center coming.